let's take another look at Block, because those shares are up after reporting second quarter results. Let's break down that report with Dan Dolev from Mizuho. Dan, it's great to have you back on. I mean, it looks like it was a miss on the top and bottom lines, but Cash App slightly ahead. What was your takeaway?
Yeah. Hey, Morgan. Great to be again on the show. Look, this was actually one of the better quarters. I'm not surprised to see the stock trading up 10%. We would underwrite that as well. So I think the key thing to remember is they're raising the guide by very, very significant amounts. So they beat Q2 adjusted operating income by about $100 million. That's like 20% beat. And they're raising the guide by over 2%, so 2.5% to 2.4%. That's a really big achievement, especially versus what happened earlier in the year where they sort of were a little bit clunky. So I can see why the stock's trading up, and we see it actually continuing to move up from here.
Okay. What drives the growth in this company from here? I mean, is it cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin? Is it just sort of the build out of all of this next era of fintech and the role that Block plays in that?
It's actually really interesting. It's the only name in payments that has a true two-sided network. So they've got the Cash App on the one side, and they've got the point of sale business on the other side. And because both are doing incrementally better than what we thought they would do earlier in the year, you have the chance to actually connect the ecosystem and actually create like a network of its own, which nobody else has. And if they continue to execute like this, plus some crypto stuff and proto and all these like great initiatives that Jack has, this thing should continue to go up and to the right.
So quickly, Dan, how does this fit into what we've heard from fintech in general this reporting season?
It's actually really interesting. We've been asked the same question. We haven't seen that many raises to the guidance, right? If you think about sort of like, some of the other payments like FIS or people were complaining that Toast didn't raise by enough. This is the first time where we see a true raise to the fiscal year guidance. It's a show of confidence by management. So it actually stands out in terms of the rest of the pack.